Hello everybody, this is Sherry Shine from Sherika Originals. I am the owner and designer of Sherika Originals Handcrafted Gifts, and what I'm doing today is I'm going to do a quick tutorial on how to make a DIY bail. Have you ever had a nice flat stone and you looked at it and you said, man, that would make a nice necklace? So let me show you how this can be accomplished. Okay, all you're gonna need is some wire, and I have two kinds of wire here today, 20 gauge wire and 12 gauge wire, and some glue, and your trusty pliers. All right, what we're gonna do is we're going to make this bail. It's a simple glue-on bail that I made to go on this flat stone. Here is the stone as it was when I first purchased it. And so here we go. This is going to be really, really quick. So I'm going to get a piece of wire, maybe 6 inches. I'm going to cut it really quick. Now you're going to bend it in half and squeeze it as tightly as you can to make a U. Okay, now you're going to take each end and you're going to curl it. I'm still squeezing it. You're going to coil the ends away from the center. So we're going to take this end, you're going to curl it around, about halfway. Okay, you see that? And then you're going to do the same thing to the other side. You're going to take it and curl it around and around and around till you get to the other one. Okay, you basically have your bail now. The other part of it is now we need to make what's going to be the loop, the part that the cord is going to go through. So you take your end and then you turn it under until it meets. So you see we turned it under until it met. Now I'm going to squeeze this closed as much as I can. And this is how it looks from the front. Kind of curl this side up a little bit more. Okay, there we have it. We have the bail. So I'm going to show you how it fits on your stone. And all you need is I like this Gorilla Super Glue, or you could use Super Glue Gel. You could use E6000, any good glue that is good for metal and stone. So all I will do here is put my glue on and glue this bail on the back, and then we're gonna be done. Let me do this. I need to even that out a little bit. Okay, I might squeeze it a little bit, but I think I'll leave it. It's fine the way it is. Okay, so I will take some, I forgot to shake my glue up. You make sure that it comes out. Okay, all right, we glue it. Actually, I'm not going to glue it on because I said this is really quick. But here's your bail, and this would be the finished product. You would be able to put that in there, and there you have a nice necklace that was just a stone. So there you have it. This is Sherry Shine with Sherika Originals. We ask that you like our video, that you share it, and that you subscribe for more quick tutorials. All right, take care and be blessed.